Welcome to Two Suited Overcalls. I call this class Musical Keys, and you will find out why shortly. Two Suited Overcalls. Okay, there's three types. There's major Michael's cubids. That's a type of two-suited overcall. Minor Michael's cubids, again, a second type of two-suited overcalls. And the unusual no trump bids. Now, interestingly enough, there are 88 5-card endings. Every hand, in other words, comes down to 88 5-card endings. And there happens to be 88 keys on the piano keyboard. Correlation between music and bridge. As far as the two-suited overcall is concerned, there are major Michael's cubids and minor Michael's cubids, just as in music, there are majors and minors. So that's why I call this the musical keys. But if you're interested in the 88 keys, just as an aside, it's not in print anymore, but I think you can probably find it on eBay. It's called Coffin's 88 Keys. Coffin's 88 Keys. And he boiled every bridge hand down to 88 5-card endings. Who knew? All right, back to our topic today, the strength of the two-suited overcall. Now, what I want you to think strategy-wise is all of these two-suited overcalls are preemptive in nature. We're going to divide the strength up, however, into weak hands and super strong hands. What I mean by super strong hands in this context is 17 plus points. So when you are in the position of intervener, okay, it's an intervener's toy. Two-suited overcalls are intervener's toy. And you've got two suits, at least 5 cards in each suit. And you're considering making a Michael's cubid or an unusual no trump cubid. What you want to look to is how many total points do you have? If you're in the range of 4 to 11 total points, it fits the definition of a two-suited overcall. If you have 17 plus total points, then go ahead and make your two-suited overcall. However, if you're in between, if you have 12 to 16 total points, then what we call those are tweeners. Those are tweeners. They're in between the weak Michael's unusual no trump bid and the strong Michael's unusual no trump bid. So what do you do with those? Well, you overcall the higher ranking suit. Just like opener opens the higher ranking suit, you overcall the higher ranking suit, and then at your next turn to bid, you bid your second suit. That tells partner that you are two suited. It gets across your shape, but it also tells partner that you have a tweener. You're 12 to 16 total points. Right now, total points, I'm counting long suit points, high card points and long suit points. 1 point for each additional card after the first 4. If you make your cubid, right, your major Michael's cubid or your minor Michael's cubid or your two no unusual, well, I say two no unusual, but let's just call it unusual no trump because we're actually going to see an instance where it doesn't have to be the two no specifically. It'll be a 1 no or 4 no. More on that later.